Hi there and welcome back. In this episode we have this concrete pump mounted on a Mercedes Axor, which had suffered a serious damage to the cab. So now, this damaged cab will be replaced, and this guy here will swap everything that is inside with this empty cabin. So, let's begin. So this one will got to go on that one. Well, one thing is for sure, this is not a super complicated job, but if you're ever going to do it, you will need some patience. Removing this dashboard and also what's under the dashboard requires a big portion of patience and also small buckets for the millions of bolts and nuts and screws and... Anyway, stay tuned. So, after 3 hours of continuous work, I've reached this point. Next, removing the doors. Until this point there are 5 hours of work. The second day when I arrived, I found it like this, looking as a Decepticon.
Decepticons!
Unfortunately, I wasn't there to capture the moment when they removed the cabin. I also noticed that it was repainted and received a new windshield. Anyways, now I will start to mount everything back together. This is heavy, quite heavy. Step by step we are getting closer to the finish line, and it's also the last day of work, the third day. And it's almost looking as a truck and not as a Decepticon. Sometimes in life we tend to get in some situations where we are sure that will gonna be simple or easy, and it isn't. But no matter how hard it will gonna get, you can make it. Look, I really love that famous quote of Nelson Mandela when he said in an older speech, "It always seems impossible until it's done." I really love that quote, and I always think of that when things get complicated. We are getting closer and closer. Blue to the blue. Black, black. Told you so. It's not complicated. Rule number 1. Never skip a lunch break. We also need fuel to function, right? And please don't make a habit from working with an empty tank. Take care of yourself. Okay now, enough with the talking, let's finish this truck. Maybe you're wondering how long this job took. Well, it took 13 hours of continuous work.
It should start now. Oh my god, first attempt, first start.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See ya!